Company Secretaries of India is set up under the Act of a Parliament, and it's a statutory body. It has about 4 lakh students and 45,000 members. We have about 69 offices, which is made of brick and mortar, and we have one overseas examination center, which is in Dubai. We have about 204 examination centers in India. I'm very happy to be a part of this channel and speaking to this channel. I have been asked by the person here to mention about the World Youth Skills Day, which is being celebrated by the Government of India, which has been earmarked as that day by the Government of India, and which is there on the 15th of July 2016. As ICSI, we have vowed to be a part of each and every Government of India's initiatives. We are very proudly mentioning that even on this day, ICSI is partnering in a big way. And on this day, we are celebrating the ICSI Youth Skills Festival, Yuva Kaushal, known as Yuva Kaushal. In this program, let me briefly mention exactly what we are doing. We are inviting students to showcase their skills by showcasing their ideas in front of angel investors, in front of venture capitalists, in front of corporate sector and academicians. Friends, it is always said that unless you are able to depict your idea, you are able to pose your idea just remains closed on the pieces of paper. As ICSI, we are leadership. We are an institute which not only inculcates sense of law, which not only tells the people to have basic knowledge of all the subjects that we have, but we are also into leadership training. And as part of that, we also understand that ICSI, we have a responsibility to take over the Government of India initiatives, to roll over the Government of India initiatives. By this Youth Skill program, we are actually touching 3 initiatives of the government. One is the Skill India program, second is the Startup Stand Up India program, and the third is the Make in India program. Now let me briefly tell you how it is. In the Skill India program, this event, iski tayari, the run up to this event is being held for the last for the last 2 months. Students are getting ready. They have made their presentations. They are being taught how to make their presentations. So anyway, if you see 2 months back, if you see them, and 2 months hence if you see them, you will see that lot of improvement has happened. So anyway, they've got better skilled. Secondly, if any idea is actually bankable or is actually commercialized, we may see the venture funding happening in that idea, and therefore Startup Stand Up program gets met with. And thirdly, Make in India. Like any student, if it comes out with an idea which is actually catering to the manufacturing sector, I'm sure, we are expecting a participation of, if not more, but about 5,000 people in this event. 5,000 students, 5,000 youth in this event. And I have to tell you this, friends, that through this channel, that we've actually met about 20,000 students to attract and to tell them what is this whole thing all about. The ball has already got set rolling. I'm sure not only this year, but every year we would like to celebrate this program year on year and partner with the Government of India in its initiatives. ICSI is a distance learning program, friends, and I must mention that it is broken into 3 stages. One is foundation, one is executive, and the third is professional. Foundation we all understand. Executive and professional means intermediate and final examinations. Now after intermediate, a person can start on-the-job training also. So side by side, you're actually giving your exams, you're preparing yourself for your course, and side by side you can also train yourself. So by the time you actually finish with your exams, you're also well trained. Why we have this training structure in ICSI is because we believe that whatever you learn, unless you put it into practice, you don't become a complete professional. Now, I also have to mention that the entire course is not very expensive. In less than 25,000, the entire course can be done. And when a person actually does training, he or she also earns stipend. So I am inviting everybody of my friends there, whoever wants to really contribute to the economy, because as company secretaries, we are greatest contributors to the economy because we advise to the board of directors, we sit in the boards, we are the key managerial personnel to the companies, and therefore we are business managers, and business managers contribute to the GDP of the economy. We all understand that. So friends, I invite you, be a part of ICSI, and I'm telling you, your life is going to change.